In this video, I will show you what to do if you have problems charging your Samsung Galaxy A35 as well as A55. So, for example, when you plug it in, maybe it doesn't charge, or if you plug it in and it doesn't even goes properly in, or it keeps falling out, or maybe when you move the phone a bit, it keeps disconnecting. There are some things we can do. So, first things first, the most common problem is that there's something usually stuck inside the hole of this charger port basically, and as you basically plug it in and out, it gets stuffed in, really basically stuffed in to the brim basically, and you can't even plug in sometimes. So first we can take a flashlight and simply shine inside and visually inspect the hole basically to see if there are any obvious signs of anything stuck inside. Then there are several tools we can actually use to clean this hole basically. We can use a high force air blower like this and simply blow out any junk. This is fairly effective, however again there will be the dirt that's inside and lint from your pockets. It's really caked on basically pretty well. Then also you can take a brush like this and take a few strands from it, just a few small strands, and simply place the strands inside the hole, and while holding the phone like this obviously, so brush them out. So these are some things you can do. Then obviously these methods are fairly limited in success. The best way to clean it is using basically a tiny and object basically like a sewing needle. So grab the finest sewing needle you can get basically, make sure it's very small. And this is really what the inside of the charger port looks like. So this is a port basically, and in the middle there is a power strip where the connection gets basically connected. So, and there are also pins for this power strip, and we need to be extra careful not to damage them, because yeah, it's very possible to damage them, especially if you use an object like this. So the way we will clean it is simply put it inside and scoop along this edge basically, while not going near the center basically, and in a scooping motion basically get out any junk. Then repeat it on the other side. We won't go near this side as well because there's limited access here, so just stick to these two sides basically. Also we need to obviously turn off our phone, since this is obviously a metallic object, and yeah, you can short something out obviously with that. So make sure you turn off your phone. Then it's preferable probably if you get another person who takes a flashlight and shines inside the hole basically while you are cleaning it. So we can simply take our needle, again make sure it's powered off, and be very careful, because yeah, we can damage them, and it's a lot of people have damaged these ports by cleaning them if they're not careful. Again, so we're going to simply place it inside the hole and go only near these edges, don't go to the center, and place it inside and scoop out anything, and other side, and simply scoop out anything that might come outside, and repeat this a few times. And again, take a flashlight and see inside. It's actually possible to see inside to a limited degree, to see if there's anything still stuck inside. Then we can also take the brush, again take a few strands and brush it out, and or air blower, and yeah, so repeat that until it's completely clean, and that really fixes problems for 99% of the people. So what if it still doesn't fix it? Then there might be a possibility you simply have a worn out cable and you need to get another one. If you have the Type-C on both ends, you can insert both ends and see if they're exactly the same, or one is worse than the other. So then simply get another cable and try with that, because they obviously wear out with time. And also, even if it visually looks okay, these ends, as you bend the cable, the inside strands, metallic strands, might break with time. So even if it looks okay, it doesn't mean that it's actually still good. So this is how I do it on these phones. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button.